Welcome to the tutorial, guys. We are going to make a DIY clear vinyl traveler's notebook. And I want to show you an example of the one that I already made and I was finishing. I didn't finish it yet. And this is one of them. This one here is what we're going to make today, the clear vinyl. What I did was, let me go ahead and open it up so you can see it. The cover is half of it is made out of vinyl and the other half is made out of, I kind of changed the game up a little bit there, guys. See these clear I don't even know what you call it. I think it's called acetate paper. Acetate, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Acetate paper, and I'll put it up close so you guys can see it. I purchased these from Michael's, and I just figured that the vinyls, the plain vinyls, are just these plain ones here, which I had purchased the vinyls from Joann's. You can purchase from Joann's, you can get it from Walmart, and you can also get it from, I think Hobby Lobby do sell it too. A lot of craft stores sell it too. What I did was use this with this because this is like obviously so plain. I just go ahead and get some of these acetate paper, these clear paper here from Michael's, and I kind of cut that out. I put those two, combine those two together, and that way I can get that beautiful gold accent that shines off of that, and I love that, and that's what I wanted. So I decided to use those two together, and this is how this one come out. This one obviously is white. I used the white one. I didn't use the gold one. I bought the white one, and I decided to go with the white one, this one, and that's what that is right there. I don't know if you can see, you guys can see the writing on there. But yeah, they have the clear white one, and they have the gold one as well. And that's what I used for this one. So I laid both of them together, the vinyl and the acetate paper on top of each other, and then I sew around it. And that's how I got that beautiful design on there. And that's what I want to do for you guys today. Now, I also was playing with this. I also was coming up with other ways that you can use it too as well. And this one I made here, and this is more, this is another one. I just decided to put vinyl, this is still vinyl, over it, overlapping it. What I did was I bought me some, I don't know if you guys, let me see. Gift tissue papers. That I decided to use that because they have different ones. I mean, you can get this from any store. And I decided to use this one here. I just love the way that looks. So I was like, let me play with that. And I think I'm going to use the unicorn one as well. But that's just an idea right there too. That's just another idea that you guys can do. Instead of, if you don't want to get the clear paper from Michael's, you can always use these gift tissues. You know, something thin where you can be able to put it inside, lay it inside of your vinyl, and then sew around it. So that's what I use for that. So just in case you want to go that route, you can. Also, these ones here, and this also I got from Michael's too. This one here has there's stickiness to it at the back of it, which is awesome, guys, because if you want to use your vinyl, you can put your vinyl on top of this, and then stick the other one, stick the other one at the bottom of the other vinyl, and then you can have that gorgeous color right there. Look how beautiful that is. If you guys want to know how to make this one, it's really simple. You just get yourself, I'm going to make 2 of them today for you guys. I'm just going to show you both of these, how these are. For the first one, for this one here, but I'm not going to use this design here. I'm going to use this one here. I'm just going to change it up a little bit. So you're going to need your acetate clear paper, and then you're gonna need vinyl, okay? And then we're gonna just cover that over. Let me give you the measurements, and the measurements for this is 9" by 5.5", guys. Okay, now if you want to make it bigger, of course you know, go up on your measurements, or if you want to make it smaller, go down on your measurements. And then you're gonna just cut that out, cut your both papers out, and put them together. All right, and what we're gonna do is all you got to do is sew around, all the way around. And then that's it for that, if you want it to be like this. And then you put your eyelets and all that stuff on there. Now, if you want to, and this is, I think it's pretty awesome, if you want to change this up where you want to put some sequences, that's the beautiful thing about this. You can put sequins in there. I'll show you how to do that one. So let's go ahead with this step. Let me go ahead and make this one for you, and I'll show you inside of the book afterwards. I'm finished doing this tutorial, guys. So let's go ahead and do this, okay? So you're going to ahead and get your two vinyl, and you're gonna go to your machine. Now we're gonna be putting some sequins in here, so we don't want to sew all the way around, lock it in, okay? We want to be able to have a gap open where we can be able to pour the sequins in and then sew it up afterward, okay? So let's go ahead and try that. So let's go ahead and sew all the way around here, guys, from this corner, the bottom, and then the top, and leave this top open. Do not sew this top, okay? And then we're gonna put our sequins in there. Okay, guys, went and sew all the way down this end, going straight over, and then on the other side, and I left this one open. And here's a tip for those that have difficulty sewing on top of vinyl. You can use a permanent marker, get your ruler, and just put the lines where you want to sew on top of. Go all the way down, mark it all the way down, a straight line, going all the way up where you want to sew over, and then go ahead and sew over that line. So that gives you a nice guideline. And when you finish, you can get nail polish remover and just erase that line from there. That will help you to get a straight line if you have a difficulty getting that straight line in there, because I know some people, it's hard for them to sew over vinyl. That's just my tip right there, guys. So like I said, you should have everything sewed except for the top part. So I'm gonna use this sequence here that I purchased a long time ago from Target, and I'm gonna put a few of this just inside of here. I don't think I'm gonna put a lot of sequins, just probably this one here. And this is, like I said, this is just to beautify your traveler's notebook, just to make it look pretty, and instead of just having the clear plastic. You can have the clear plastic, guys, and you can do this as well to the clear plastic. That's beautiful. It just adds more volume to this thing, so, and I like it. And then when you finish, you just turn that over, and look at that. How gorgeous is that, guys? I love it. I love it, love it. Oh my God. I'm gonna put a little bit more in there. So I'm gonna toss this in here. Just a little bit more. Then we're gonna go ahead and finish up this. So when you finish getting all your sequins in there and everything, just go ahead and sew all the way over. Make sure there's no sequins in the way. Just kind of shake it down so it can get out the way. And when you finish, you can always shake it back in place. Get all that stuff out of the way, and then sew straight up top and just seal that up, okay? So now I just sealed that up. Look at that, guys. And then you just fold that over, guys, like so. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. I just love the way that turned out. And it's so easy, guys, so simple and easy. And I love this. And what you're gonna do, obviously, you're gonna add your eyelets to these as well. And then if you want, you can do one in the middle here, or you can do one like I did this one. What I did with this one here, I placed it at the end of here, just in case you don't have the tools for the eyelet in the middle, because that's what I use for this one. I had to use my tool for the middle part. If you don't have the tools for this, just go ahead and put it at the end here. I'm not going to show a tutorial on this because I have a video already with a tutorial how to do this already with one of my traveler's notebook that I have up there. So I just put I put that tutorial in the bottom of this video, so you guys can check that out. I'm going to also put a link where you can be able to put your eyelets inside of there too. And this one I did put eyelets inside of there, the smaller ones for these two. And then I put a bigger one there, and then I put two more small ones there for the eyelet. And I'm going to put the videos down on the bottom so you can check that out, and then tell you direction how to do these, because I don't see the purpose of me keep doing this over and over again when I have step-by-steps on how to do this stuff. It saved me a lot of time too, guys. But yes, I have a video on this. Now, if you don't want to put any eyelets, you have a choice. You don't have to put the eyelets, because just remember, this is vinyl. It's clear plastic, and it's very strong, so you don't necessarily need eyelets. You put 2 holes there and 2 holes at the top, and then put your elastic through that. Wrap that around there, guys, and voila. And that's beautiful, and I love that. That's easy way as well, just in case you don't have the tools for the middle part. That's one tutorial for that. And the next tutorial is this one. So I'm gonna just go ahead and finish this up, putting the eyelets and everything, and putting the elastic on there, and then come back and then finish up. And then I think that was it. That's it for that. Very simple, guys. Very easy project. So let me go ahead and finish this up here, and then I'll show you guys a little tour of what I have inside of this mini traveler's notebook here. Guys, so I went ahead and did the whole process with putting the eyelets on there. And so that's how it turned out, guys. It's just gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. And look, you can make your own. I mean, I think very easy. I mean, it's simple. I love it. I'm gonna make lots more of these, guys. And here is the center of it. And I love that. You guys definitely have to make yourself one of these. Beautiful. Okay, so that one we finished there, okay? And that's the tutorial on that. I still want to show you this one here. Now, how to do the sticky paper. It's really simple too, guys. You're just gonna get your two vinyl clear, what do you call it? Plastic, right? And then what you're gonna do is just, of course, it's sticky at the back, which helps a whole lot. All you gotta do is just take that off of there. Right there. And the sticky part, the sticky end, just place your vinyl on top of there. And then all you gotta do is cut around that vinyl right there. Cut all the way around it, guys. And then you got that there. See that? That should now look like that. What you're gonna do now is just put your vinyl at the bottom, on the bottom part that you stick, just put it over. So both of your vinyl, one's laying this way and the other one's laying that way. And then you have that right there, guys. And then you can, like we did the steps for the for this one here. You're just gonna do the same thing. You're just gonna sew all the way around here and up here. And if you want to put sequins inside of it, just leave that part open there. And then put your sequins in and then seal it up afterwards. And then you have yourself another beautiful traveler's notebook. And I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna put some sequences inside of there. And I'll show you guys after I finish doing that. I love the way that turned out. Look at it, guys. Okay, this one I did not put any eyelets on there. I just put the hole in there, and then I put the elastic. This one I changed it up a little bit. I end up putting the closure at the end of here. You can close like that. And I end up doing that. So. And that turned out to be awesome. I love the way that turned out, guys. Let me go ahead and show you inside of this book, the Traveler's Notebook that I did. And I end up purchasing, is a set that I got from Hobby Lobby. And what I'm going to do is put a picture up on this video and show you guys exactly where I get it, just in case you want to purchase that same exact, what do you call it? Scrapbooking paper. So it's a nice set, and I forgot the name of it, but I'll put a picture of it here, but you guys can see it. And I used that, and I think that looks gorgeous. I love her style and how she looks, and I just figure she fits perfect there. And I didn't like the fact that after I finished putting her in there, she had like a white spot in the back here, and I just decided to like overlap it with another picture. That's what I did for that. And this here, this paper here, I purchased this from Michael's as well. And it's beautiful. I love the glitter on there. And it's just beautiful. And I purchased that paper from Michael's. And like I said, I didn't do much to this. I just put a few things in there. I didn't finish it, guys. So, and this is just a few things that I put. I put a little pocket in there. And I just have her sitting with her coffee right there. And then I just have this little sequence here that I made. And I stuck it in there, in that little pocket there. And then I just stick that on there. Like I said, these pages are empty here. Now this I made here, a bookmark, which is gorgeous, I think. Look at that. Beautiful. And I put a little, this letter here I got from Joann's. And they come in white and black. And I like the way it looked, and I wanted to get it, and I just decided to put that up there. And it says laugh. And I love that. And that's the bookmark right here that I made for that. as well. So I want you guys to see that. Came out pretty awesome. I made this from a laminate machine. Comment in the bottom and let me know if you're interested in making these, whatever stand out to you guys. Just let me know, and then I'll do a tutorial on that, guys, for you guys. I didn't do a lot of decorating on this. This one here is a dashboard that I made for it as well. The traveler's notebook, and I put that, and the tape comes out of there. And it has beautiful sequins in there, which I love. I love the way that looks. And then I have I laminated this word right here, smile, and then I just and this is just extra stuff I put in there too. Let me put that aside for a second. And then I have this little cute little purse. I kind of laminated everything. I made a pocket out of it. The pocket's inside of there, and I just put that there, and I made this little creativity here. And I just put this is supposed to look like a zip, like it's actually a zipper where you can open and close it. So it's supposed to be like a little purse, and she just sits right there. Bit of jewelry there, kind of make that stand out. And that was that for that there. And then moving on, then we move to this piece right here. Let me show you the paper clip that I made. I made this beautiful flower from a ribbon that I purchased from Joann's, and I just decided to make that, and I think that looked perfect with that there, as well as this one here too. I made another ribbon for hair because I seen her hair had a little pink ribbon in there, so I decided to kind of have one sticking out. And then I have another little purse, but I laminate all this stuff. I think that come out beautiful. I love the way that looks, and it has a little pocket there, and then you put it in there, and then once again another jewelry thing hanging there. I use a paper clip to hang that on there. That was that for that one. But that was it, guys. That's all I put in there so far, and I haven't finished it. But yeah, guys, thank you all so much, so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and all that good stuff. And yeah, you guys will definitely see me in my next video, guys, okay?